Why does your scanner show the P14A1 engine code? What does it mean? P14A1 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas back pressure sensor short circuit to positive. This engine code indicates that this is a common code for BMW models and points to a fault with the sensor that monitors exhaust pressure, often leading to a diesel particulate filter DPF blockage and loss of engine power. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. EGR system issues, DPF pressure sensor malfunction, DPF circuit faults, ineffective DPF regeneration. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in BMW diesel vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.